Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with CoinJar UK crypto exchange. CoinJar UK crypto exchange is a cryptocurrency exchange platform specifically geared towards UK users, allowing them to buy, sell, and store a range of cryptocurrencies. It offers features like secure wallet storage, straightforward trading interfaces, and access to various digital assets. Their website provides details on supported cryptocurrencies, fees, and security measures. CoinJar positions itself as a user-friendly platform, emphasizing ease of use and transparency. They highlight competitive fees and a secure environment for trading. Availability is limited to the UK. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using CoinJar. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, requiring only basic KYC verification. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I found buying Bitcoin particularly simple. The steps were clear and concise. I also appreciated the ability to set up recurring buys, which automated my investment strategy. The platform performed reliably throughout my usage, transactions were processed quickly, and I never experienced any significant downtime. I did have a quick question about their fee structure, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, very helpful. I was really impressed by how clear and concise their transaction history was. The standout feature for me was definitely the recurring buy functionality. One minor drawback was the limited selection of cryptocurrencies compared to some larger exchanges. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with CoinJar. It's a solid platform for those looking for a user-friendly way to invest in crypto in the UK. That's my overview of CoinJar UK crypto exchange. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.